What's the most profitable niche for YouTube automation? There are certainly YouTube automation channels doing better than others when it comes to AdSense revenue. This is due to several factors. First, YouTube will pay you accordingly to the CPM. The CPM is the amount of money advertisers give to YouTube for every 1,000 views. To YouTube, not to you. This means you're going to share your earnings with the platform. This is how it works. Moreover, not only the CPM varies from one niche to another, but it also changes according to the country the viewers are watching your content from. To give you some guidance to pick a niche with a profitable CPM, you'd better choose among the health, wealth, and relationship topics. Choose wisely and make sure you like the subject. Like is enough, you don't need to love it. Then when it comes to localization, you will decide in accordance with the language you'll use. If your channel is voiceless, such as meditation music channels, you can target all the countries of the world. Otherwise, English is your best bet. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.